Hi guys, Todd here with TW Home Show. Welcome back to my channel. Today I thought I'd review a couple of things I've been doing lately because I haven't been publishing or uploading videos that often, and I've been kind of busy. And some of you know that I've been busy with helping out my dad this year. He got into a condition where he needed to be put into an assisted living facility, so I had to do a lot of research on that, how to do it, where are the best facilities, go tour these facilities, and we finally got him in there, and he's been in there for a couple months now, and he's doing really good there, and he's getting the care that he needs, the full-time 24/7 care. So this is actually, there's the main house here, our main house, and my dad was staying here in the in-law suite here with us around the Tampa, Florida area at our residence. So he recently moved out into the assisted living facility, and like I said, he's doing good. So what I got involved in right before he got to that condition where he needed 24/7 care, he had issues with walking. So I looked on Facebook Marketplace and I saw like these power wheelchairs, and I bought some ramps and stuff to go all around the house. I bought one, fixed it up, and see these ramps, I bought a bunch of ramps to get in and out the doorways and in and out his in-law suite and the back door. And that was working out really well. But then I said, hey, while I'm doing one of these for my dad, you know what? Why don't I pick up a few more? They were really, really cheap, but they were filthy dirty, and half of them didn't have batteries that worked. So I purchased all these off Facebook Marketplace. I got another one here. I got another one there. And I recently got them all completed, all refurbished. If they needed new parts, I bought new parts and replaced them. Like I said, cleaned them up. If they needed new paint, I put new paint on them. And they turned out really, really nice. And this week I finished every single one of them. They all got chargers, all new batteries, and I've got them relisted on Facebook Marketplace now for local delivery, additional charge if needed. But you know, we'll see how it goes. I hope I don't, I hope I find buyers for all of these now. I hope I didn't get in over my head. Anyways, so all that was packed in my garage as I was, you know, refurbishing those and taking up space in the garage. So I got the garage cleaned out, and guess what I did? I bought another EV. I'm going to show you. I'll go out to the garage here. I'm going to turn you around. So we already got the two EVs. My wife's 2022 Model 3. And last year I traded my Corvette for the 2018 Model S. And like I said, I had an empty slot here in the garage, so I purchased something today, another EV golf cart. What do you think, guys? Pretty awesome. Now this is it's not brand new. We bought it from a local golf cart dealer. It was on Facebook Marketplace. I thought I was buying it from some private owner. Ended up being a golf cart dealer. And how it was listed, it didn't come lifted, and the wheels were a little smaller. I'll show you a picture here of how it was listed on Facebook Marketplace. It was a little bit wimpier than this, and then they did all this modification, lifted it up. I think it's a 3-inch lift kit, and put on these large wheels and tires, and replaced the front seat because it had some rips or tears in it. Includes the charger. Let me give you a closer look at this thing. It's I forgot. It's a 2019 EZGO TXT with lithium, factory lithium battery. All right, so here it is, 2019 EZGO TXT lithium. Looks really sharp. Now the when he had it listed, the roof was like a tan cream roof like the seats, and it didn't go over the rear back seat that was added on. So I negotiated that to get the extended rooftop, and it's in black. So it matches the black color of the actual body paint, which is new paint. And I don't know if you can tell, but it's got metal flake in it for that special paint job. I don't know if the metal flake will stand out. And it's got a set of new headlights and taillights. There's the tough suspension it's got now. Let's see what size wheels they put on here. Now these are Trail X tires. It's Arisen tires. And these are AT 23 by 10 by 14. So I guess 14-inch tires. I think when he had it listed, they were like 10-inch tires. And then if we look at the back, we got the new tail light kit as well. Comes with the lithium charger. And there's the rear suspension. And this was a local company near Tampa, Florida. SLATER golf carts. And it's all very basic, but it's brand new. I mean, look at the nice textured floor. Great condition still. Switches look new. Pedals look fairly new. Everything looks really good. And if we look in here, powered by a Samsung SDI lithium battery. And then we can hook up lots of 12-volt accessories, because he installed a fuse box there and a what do you call it, a converter from 48-volt lithium to 12-volt. This converter here, and it goes to this fuse box. And a new rear seat attachment with handrail. Really good shape and condition. Now you can turn it into like a little pickup cart. Fold your rear seat down. And I plan to make some sort of a cage somehow, or guardrails, so we can take our two dogs with us on some car rides. And then right here is a nice storage compartment. Actually, it leads down to where the charger is stored underneath right now. So there you go. So I got many more projects coming up here with this golf cart. I've already bought some accessories and stuff, you know, while I was waiting a couple days for them to put that lift kit on, and got into trouble with Amazon with ordering so many accessories for this. I mean, they were delivering them over the last couple days, just day after day, and they've piled up in the corner of the garage over there. But I'm not going to reveal all of them yet. But I did get a new custom steering wheel, and I got some new seat covers for front and rear, and they're fairly easy to do as far as what I could tell. Ordering online, I ordered the staple-on ones, so they're going to be like permanent seat covers. And the seat covers look beautiful, so stay tuned for those videos and many more golf cart videos, upgrades that you might want to see. Of course, we still need to put a sound system in there, so that's got to be done too. Guys, thank you for tuning in to another one of my videos, and I'll see you on the next one.